In a man's head here. Just want to do a quick review of the Eaton Canyon, Pasadena, California hike. I've gone on this hike myself a few times. Very simple, easy hike, never with kids. This time I decided to take 3 kids with me, and here's a clip of them going through and hiking. It's a very easy, simple. Many families go there with young kids, so I would highly recommend this hike if you live in Los Angeles. And at the end of it, there's a waterfall. A whole hike is about approximately 1.75 miles to the waterfall and 1.75 back. It took us about 3 hours. That's including short stops, water breaks, trying to climb over a couple of boulders and streams at the very end of the hike when you near the waterfall. It's a very fun, beautiful hike, especially the closer you get to the waterfall. One thing though, it gets very crowded, especially on the weekends. Because it's such a simple hike to do, many people take their families, young kids, dogs. It's worth it though, it's fun. Enjoy the clips. And my shirt too, Super Dad, if you guys want to get that. Again, it's in man's head. Hit the like button, share. I hope you enjoy the video. Where are we?
We're at the waterfall in Bookworth.
Did you guys go under the waterfall? How was it? How was it? It was cold? And you went in with, both of you went in with your shoes on. You guys are crazy. No, straight. Go straight.
Yeah, I'll wait.
You did it. Go, go. Maya didn't last the trek back. Greg, Emma, say hello. Hello from Eaton Canyon.
Yeah, I bet you can too, but don't. Are they venomous?
No.
Pick it up. Get it.
You keep it? Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's coming back.
And to end our trip, we're at Sioux Plantation. Look at that.